Okay, I was given these quad twisted pair adapters. My friend, colleague, Catherine North Electronics has started production of this aes59 to aes72. I'm so proud of what he did here and what they did here and what they're doing here, because it's an improvement on what Wardbeck did in terms of the adapter of db25 aes59 to, this is QTP type 4E. So it TIA 568B, you know, they explain that sun, sky, grass, earth are the pairs. And it is spectacularly built sandwich, no pins exposed. These are captive screws. Just beautiful adapter set. Shield bonding from one to the other to the shroud. Just fantastic. I don't know when these will become available, and I'm not endorsed by this company. I'm not, I'm just a fan, just an absolute fan of what they do. And I look forward to seeing what other kinds of things that they come up with when they get going. Congratulations. I'm excited to see this.